Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a collection of farm equipment. These all come from Farm Exploiter. Let's take a look at them. We have two tractors. Look at this red tractor. He's got some great big wheels. And a really neat cab. Next we have this harvester. It's a combine. It's got some strong, sturdy wheels too. And it has a hitch. There's also a fire extinguisher. The cab has space to walk around. When the harvester is full, the seeds we've harvested come out of this tube. Next, we have this corn harvester. This has a different kind of blade and wheel. Wow, this is a mighty machine. Our last harvester is this blue combine. This is very similar to the first one that we looked at. You can see the blades and the reel. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.